I don't know how to turn my sound down. I mean, I don't know how to... Oh, okay, let's try this. Oh, thank you for helping me figure something out. So, I'm at the bench, cleaning it up. Proud of myself. Got my dishes done. Okay, I got my dishes done? Yeah. Clean the cats off his face since I may as well stop fighting them. And the question of the day is, who likes these little bags? If I send you jewelry in these little bags, do you like that? Yes or no? Thank you. Just put yes or no in the comments. And those of you that buy stuff, I'll send you your jewelry in these little bags. Because as you see, I get a lot of them. So let's just say you said, here, Tasha, here's my... I only have $50. Can you wrap that ammonite that you got last for me? Sure. I guess I should just turn it around, huh? Duh. And I'll say, sure, you want silver, copper, or gold wire? Silver. Most people do. Ammonite, 5 million something years old. 5 million plus years old, excuse me. Sometimes I do know what I'm talking about. If I don't know what I'm talking about, I don't bring it up. So, there you go. And yes, I'm very happy. I got my 3 bulbs put in the bathroom. And my thing fixed. And I look forward to never needing them to fix anything again. Oh, you didn't see that video? Yeah, they're charging me $9 per bulb. I ain't got no bulbs. Put the shit in. I'll pay the what, $27 if I do my math correctly? I'll pay for it, thanks. The first time. After that, I gotta learn how to do it on my own. If it's cooking, if it's a craft, if it's whatever, I'll figure out how to do it on my own next time. But in the meantime, I love bright, bright, bright light. Lots of it. If I could put a thing on the ceiling, I would. To have 8,000 lumens everywhere so I can see what I'm seeing. Yeah, so I'm sitting here putting my stuff away. Thank you to Lightworker for all my beautiful, beautiful, beautiful goodies. And if you ever want to know what something is, screenshots and send me the screenshot on IG or FB or some platform you want me to download so I can get pictures of what you're talking about. I'll make a video. Yeah. See, so all of this, and more than likely all of this, because I bought another one, is going to be her 2 trays. Let's see if this will fit in here. Oh, it does. Yay. Woohoo. Okay, well, let's put this one in there too. As soon as I find the place where the beads are going to break off. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe she put some glue there and they're not going to break off. Yes, I will fix this up and sell it to you. Just say, I want it, Tosh. And I'll add the beads that she sent with this package. She sent the beads. I'll restring it for you and sell it to you. Why not? Is that too much? It's not going to fit? Yay! It's going to fit. It's going to fit. Okay, let me put these 2 in baggies. And I will put those away. Here, you just go right here. Thank you. So that's her 2 shelves. Yeah. Woohoo, look at all that work I just got done. Now I can remove this. And I can sit here and glue together. Am I still going? I'm still going. I can sit here and glue together Ryan's bolos. So let's glue these down. Let's put my sewing stuff away in the sewing kit. Oh. Where's your sister? Oh, shit. She's around here somewhere. I don't know. Okay, those go over there. These go with her stuff. I like my squares lined up. And I'm going to put this in the kitchen up there. I think I want to start lining all my herbs up there. Then that's going to free up space. So my herbs are on this row and this row. But I think I'm going to put all my jars up there and get me another grabber just to leave in the kitchen. And then I can relabel them big writing so I can see it for here. And keep on keeping on, trying to get better or reorganize and get better and know where shit is. Yeah. Okay, this I really need to clean off. I really do. Okay, you go over there. Lucky guys, I made this one, and this is one of the best ones I have ever made. I gotta get more of those stencil things. I really love them. I want to make this in all colors. And then you can just say, I want blue, and I want green, and I want yellow. How much is that? $60. I'm gonna try to keep my prices low so everybody could afford something, you know? Stay there, please. So now when I pull one of the bottom drawers out, I can just move this down, put it back, leave it there, line up my beads. In the meantime, okay, you get over there on that side because I'm going to put it up there with a sign on it so I know what it is. Oh, I need it. Never mind, it's a surprise. I don't want to say nothing to nobody. Turn that around that way. Good. Okay, that's better. Yeah, so I need to clean the closet out so I can put all of my paper stuff in the closet. Yeah, because I don't like it there. It's junky. Okay, so let's keep on pushing. Filling it up, filling it up, filling it up, up. Aqua Orta. Titanium. Yeah. That. Yeah. And just tell me, Tasha, make a video on such and such and such and such. Okay. I'm an old lady. What else I got to do? Okay, here, move over. Move over. Move over. Okay. All right, that's Ryan's, and that's Ryan's. That goes on the stationery table. I take clay and I mold it to something, and then I'm going to push this down so it stays flat. This is just held on with tape. So see, I'm going to take the clay, put a little ball of clay there, put it on there as straight as I possibly can, and then glue that on top. Gotta go get glue. That I don't need anymore. Thank you very much. And this is my crimps, my crimping beads, which I usually use for earrings. So let's put that away. Remind me that I put it here. Oh, I'm sorry. That's not taking responsibility for myself. I'm sorry. I'll take a screenshot. Push both buttons at one time, Tosh. Okay. That's my earring box. Okay. All right. Let's do that. Let's throw that away. And let's get ready to thank you, brother. Yes, those are railroad ties. A friend that came for a visit from New York, I said, just bring me a rock. And on his way to, I don't know, the gas station, train station, whatever station, He picked that up.